What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We're living like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our own way.
It just parted.
Excelsior repels storms.
Yeah.
We saw it here first.
Halfway point on our trip from Kaibasar to West Papua. This place is stunning. Again, I've got no idea what this place is called. There's no name for this joint, is there?
I don't know.
Mom Mom. All I can see on the GPS is Mom Mom.
There you go.
Tiny little fishing boats here. These mountains. So right now we're in just over 1,000 meters of water. 1,000 meters of water. We're 200 meters from an island. So like these things almost go a kilometer just straight up. And then that mountain there is over 1,000 meters tall. This place is just unbelievable. She's so excited. We just came around the corner of these little islands here. And oh my God, look how beautiful that is. And we haven't seen our friends for a while. Yeah! How excited are you right now?
Very sad.
It's good, huh? You miss Maya?
Been alone for like 8 days and it's annoying just being...
You haven't been alone, you've had me. I'm like the most fun person on earth. Right?
The kids were on Bommy Watch and Charlize was counting down the seconds till she saw Maya again. Good counting. We don't have to pay for college. Welcome to Mom Mom, where Papuan jungle meets the sea, and there are waterfalls and caves aplenty to explore. All this fresh water stems from a large river high in the Papuan jungle, cascading in a spectacular white torrent of raging water meeting the blue-green sea. Both the kids and the adults had a heap of fun playing in the cool waters. Brody decided to troll on our way back to the boat, and he got onto this big guy. Maybe that lucky rainbow in the background had something to do with it.
Don't touch it, don't touch till it's in. Oh!
You're on a mackerel.
Don't lose it. We need this one.
In typical Brendo style, no gaff, no worries.
I'm just going to throw it in. Ready? Yep. That is ridiculous. Wow!
And check out the beautiful coronation trout. And when we throw him back, he gives Brendan a parting gift. When we came across this gem, we couldn't believe our eyes. And we found another underwater cave to explore.
Where's Steve?
This feels so nice.
Oh, careful. There's no sharks in there.
Fuck would I know? I don't know what's in there. So many bats. So many bats. It wouldn't be so bad if you had a torch.
The Japanese military occupied this area in World War II, and there are remnants left behind. Being an ex-mortarman, Brennan provides speculation as to what they might be.
And that is how you get.
I mean, look, these look like... They keep saying gun batteries if it was artillery. I would say if it was anything, if it was going to be anything, it'd be like anti-aircraft or like anti-naval guns, which are a lot smaller than artillery guns. So it could have been this. This could be like the base plate for the gun, and they just bolted it on top. It doesn't make sense to have artillery here.
No.
Especially artillery, they've got a really low trajectory. Artillery has a lower trajectory, and you'd think that mountain there wouldn't give them much.
Yeah.
Upon hearing running water, we discover this waterfall nearby. There was so much beauty all around us.
About 1 o'clock, it does this. Just absolutely pours down. And we'll do this for about an hour or two on and off, and then it goes back to being about 1,000,000 degrees with 6,000% humidity. But on the plus side, look at all this water we're catching. Unreal. So we've got 3 drainage holes in the roof, right? And all I do is I just put these little bits of hose in them. So if we do get crazy amounts of rain, it'll actually help drain, so we haven't got so much weight on the roof. And then that one there, just run straight down that blue line there and down into our tank. And in all honesty, you know, like 20 minutes of big fat heavy rain, like Forrest Gump used to call it, big old fat rain, it'll almost fill our tanks every time. So this is just, I love this. This is absolutely worth its weight in gold. This entire roof, the size of it, catches water, feeds Sarah's little plants.
We spent 2 glorious weeks in this magic part of the world, and we will not forget it. We hope you enjoyed this episode, and we look forward to sharing more of our journey with you. Thanks for watching.